Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to enable autoplay for videos in the Divi video module. Autoplaying videos can significantly enhance your site's design and boost user engagement. However, due to browser requirements, like Chrome's autoplay policy, it's essential to start videos muted for autoplay to work. We'll walk you through how to set up your videos to play automatically and muted, ensuring a seamless viewing experience for your users. Let's get started. To enable both autoplay and mute for videos in the Divi video module, you can use the extra features provided by the Divi Booster plugin. This approach makes it simple to customize your video settings for better user engagement and compatibility. If you're new to Divi Booster, you can find more details about this plugin through the reference link in the accompanying post. Let's take a closer look at how to set this up. To get started, open the Divi Builder and add a new row with a single column if your layout doesn't already have one. Once the row is created, insert the video module into it. This is where your video will be displayed. This simple setup ensures your video has a dedicated space within your page layout. To enable autoplay for your YouTube videos, open the Video Module settings and navigate to the Content tab. There, you'll find an option labeled Autoplay YouTube Video. Simply toggle this switch to turn autoplay on. With this feature enabled, your video will automatically start playing as soon as the page loads. Keep in mind that you'll need Divi Booster version 4.8 or newer for this functionality. To enable muted autoplay for YouTube videos, start by locating the Start YouTube Video Muted option directly below the autoplay setting in the video module. Simply toggle the switch to turn it on. This step is essential, as many browsers only allow videos to autoplay if they are muted. Remember, this feature requires Divi Booster version 4.8 or later to function properly. Once you've set up the autoplay and mute options, don't forget to save your changes. Click the green checkmark in the video module settings to save your work. Then head to the action bar at the bottom of your Divi Builder interface and publish your page changes. After that, exit the Visual Builder to view your published page. When you visit the page, your YouTube video should now start playing automatically, muted, as soon as the page loads. This ensures a smooth and user-friendly viewing experience. And that's it. You now have a simple and effective way to set up autoplaying videos in the Divi video module. By following these steps, you can enhance the user experience on your site while ensuring smooth functionality. Thanks for watching.